Getting an up-close look at how the National Guard is helping people after Ian. Local 10's Bridget Matter is in Port Charlotte today to continue our team coverage.
We spent the day with the Army National Guard. It deployed thousands of its service members to help in Hurricane Ian's aftermath. We are in the Rotunda neighborhood, which is just outside of Port Charlotte, and cleanup is far from finished. Meet 22-year-old Tiana Drossel.
Go food first.
A soldier with the Army National Guard for 5 years.
I can carry it for you. Where are we going?
Today, she's part of around 5,000 Army National Guard members helping in Southwest Florida.
What's your cat's name? Jasper. Jasper. I have a cat.
Carol and her cat have no power, running low on supplies.
This is wonderful because, well, we got water back on, but we can't drink it.
We spent the day with the National Guard through an area, Rotunda, which sits just east of the Barrier Islands. The cleanup process in this neighborhood is far from over, and the sight of the National Guard,
Y'all stay safe.
a relief for those stuck without power. The water and MREs they're handing out to people come from here, a distribution site where people can come to pick up water, ice, and food. We quickly spoke to Lieutenant Jeffrey Tyson about the people they have been helping.
They're basically saying that their life has been uprooted from this storm.
The National Guard said they are fully stocked up on supplies. They're also here to safeguard property and first responders. We're outside of Port Charlotte. Bridget Matter, Local 10 News.